Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing Scooby-doo with a wonderdog. Here's the front. It comes with an ornament. Here's front, spine, back. 'Tis the season to be Scooby. Celebrate the season, Scooby-Doo style as Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Gang face off against festive frights, frosty nights, and jeepers, the ghost of Christmas who wants to wish everyone a scary Christmas. In this collection of cold weather capers, Scooby-Doo and the gang unwrap a series of mysteries in order to stop a group of chilling crooks from stealing the spirits of Christmas. Episodes include the Nutcracker Scoob, Alaskan King Khaled, the Scary Nightless Snowy's Fright, and That Snow Ghost. Special features are Scooby-Doo's Winter Vacation Game, Christmas with the Monster music video, Scrappy-Doo music video, Get the Picture How to Draw Scooby-Doo, Get the Picture How to Draw the Mystery Inc. Gang, and trailers. And we got the shrink wrap. Give me a minute. Here it is out of the shrink wrap. Front, spine, back. Here's the ornament that comes with it. Scooby-Doo popping out of a gift. I mainly bought this for the ornament because I'm going to buy the Scooby-Doo collection yellow, which has Winter Wonderdog, Greatest Mysteries, and the Boo Brothers. So I basically bought this for the ornament, really. So it shows my deep dive into insanity and collecting. Great. Let's check out the inside. There's this thing, what's it called? An insert. It says get $3 back by mail, and it has a bunch of Christmas movies: Jack Frost, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, Powerpuff Girls, Robbie Reindeer, Winter Wonderdog, Tom and Jerry, and then Veggie Tales. Collect all 7. Yeah, I'd rather not. And then here's the DVD. Here's the inside out. It says 4 great Scooby episodes. Now let's check out the DVD menu. Here's the menu. Oh, my bad. I pressed the pause button. Yeah, okay, there you go. And then episodes. Can repeat play? Special features. And then the trailers. Then languages. That's all for today. See you guys next time. Adios.